I can't sign it.
She said she can't sign it, so who can sign it? That's my problem. I need to sign it.
What do you need signed? What part do you need signed?
She signed it, but didn't put her name. That's awkward too. That's very. Then I got a citizen's complaint. I got both of these forms. I brought it back to this window. It say office use only. I just need it filled out. But they time stamped it. When I brought it, the lady at the window was here. She timed it. She said, I can't sign this for you. She said, come back. This was on May 28th. Come on now. I can't. They said, let me get some room for the ride. I still ain't got it signed. I can't right now. She ain't gonna sign. And they told me to call him, gave me the phone number. He told me to call him. I said, dang, it didn't answer. She said, this message. I said, you can't call him. I said, I'm trying to take this to the I sent the receipt to the corporate, to the bond office years ago. Yeah, 4747 for process for voluntary surrender. Okay, I voluntarily surrendered to the court. The sheriff never returned my security to the court. I ended up getting more other stuff I had to do. I didn't know I could do a complaint on the lost property. I found out about this recently. I know I got a statute of limitations for 6 years. I got the original document right here. It's a problem. I have, but nobody wants to take the complaint. Nobody. I can't find a lawyer that wants to help me with a complaint against the county.
Indians?
I can't find anybody that's not, basically, they don't want to put their bar up. They feel like we're only against the court. To the side. Tell them. So the thing is, the lawyer just told me straight up, just file the process first. But I'm just trying to make it easy for an attorney first, which is just filing out basic paperwork. Step by step. I'm not trying to take it to a lawyer and then get shot there. I know I can do this myself. This say this affidavit. I gotta do this first. And I don't like how she didn't put her name. The property officer, the lady saying, she wasn't here to take this document. I know it was her that took this document. Now when I want to report my conversation with security, she told me I can't do that. It's like violating in all kinds of ways. Just want my 3,000 back. And I can take care of everything that resulted from this. I'm off work today. I'm trying to take care of this. I need this. I already told me no. It's just, I'm glad to hear it.
Those are real attorneys. Okay? And most people use a big boy computer because it's going to be optimized that way, and I guarantee you get better results. And I hope it pushes you in the right direction.
She signed on this one. We don't have
saw somebody come from the claim and say, hey, sign my document. Show her the windows, this your name, this your name, none of her properties, sign her document, right? Right now, she just has a property. I just got to put her name and be accountable for the things she received.
I understand. So it's a form. It's a form.
It's gotta be assumed by the court. It says here, there's a property ownership. That's what we did. When I asked to do that, they refused to get the sergeant initially. Which is what makes the national sergeant, but she don't want to put her name. She's the sheriff. Oh, sheriff's property.
That's why I'm reaching. I told you this man.
Well, they told me this is.
Oh, no, definitely not.
Who's in terms of affairs? Who's in terms of affairs?
Me.
Okay, this is this form may be submitted at any Wayne County Sheriff's facility or mail to.
Yeah.
Wayne County Sheriff's.
Yeah. And I got you as far as I can get you.
Right. I beg to differ only because this is whoever offers.
I feel. But as far as,
Are you trying to get money or get money?
see, once you talk about yeah, see, the problem is that form will come to internal affairs, but it will go to someone else. But there's nobody else to send it to.
Are you telling me there's nobody of this county, this sheriff department,
They hand up. You trying to get your money or your birth certificate?
this is like step by step. First step to get this file.
It's been filed, but I can't get you with no other. You trying to get your money?
I can't make this up. I swear, if I was a blind man, somebody would have to tell me to say, office use only. Employee received it. She received it. You received it. With all due respect, no pun intended.
My job is to get it to the right
They don't
person.
say that.
I feel you.
Are
you trying to get your money?
That's all I listen. First step, I'm trying to get this file. Whose job is it then? Because you're the person that's internally handling the issue. This issue is a complaint. So I'm asking, it's saying you right here. This the old address. But this you right here. I'm trying to get it filed, sir. And then I can get on my plane. You never see it again. You'll never hear from me again. I need to file. It's always going to get turned down. This is not for the party evidence. It's the file. According to the Sheriff's Department. Which is one.
Did you leave her another copy or you just your only copy?
No, I have a copy in here. Just the original. I don't want this back. This ain't mine. This ain't mine. I really want this back. Yeah, they just go.
But see, the last time we came to you, you said that was my original back.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, just like that.
Copy of the sign said they first came, gave me a timestamp copy, and told me no.
Like everyone's one.
May 28th. I've been patient. Coming back, but I've been
See,
patient.
the problem is, if I take this, I'm letting you know, I understand what it says, but I'm not gonna be responsible.
Listen, I'm not trying to tell you that you're responsible. Okay. I don't even know your job description. I just know who to say this is. This is you. Like I said, no pun intended. I'm not trying to attack you. I'm just trying to get this file. When you call me, I don't even know how to talk to you. I hate listening about this stuff right now. I testify right now. Right now, I take a deposition if I want to.
I'm gonna take this out.
That's not because if somebody could be I received,
Because we don't have.
like contradict. it's in the file with my name on it, sir. I mean, you talking to some, I was valedictorian in college, just to let you know. I had a 4.3 GPA. I had 2.5. I never played sport. But I always had it. Telling you right now, I know for a fact that needs to be filed. And it needs to be filled out. When it was received, how it was received. It says in person. Received by who? And at the bottom it says received internal affairs, date, and case number. Yep. So I need the case number for you. You got a computer that will generate a case number for them. And that's all I need. Yeah, it's not even sufficient. She didn't put her name. Now it's like I could get her oath of office and attach it to that document real quick. That's what she wants to do. Her signature's on the oath. I got her recorded already. This document. She would say it doesn't matter at this point. Don't make a list.
No.
Feeling that it's going to cause some type of stir, which is why nobody wants to do this property. And the sergeant did tell me. Right now, she wasn't going to sign it because you was supposed to sign. Please, sir.
Okay, so here's what I can do if I were you. You can just see the sergeant of internal affairs. The sergeant's going to, more than likely, or it's going to happen else to. In order to file a citizen report, it starts with the police report. We have to call for a time and case. Once we get a time and case, that is your report. Okay. By the end of this report, internal affairs, you start the filing process with your right. It ain't filed till we get a police report. Do we have a phone number?
Don't say that though. My phone number's on this
Gotta hear
document.
me now. Gotta hear me now. The phone number's on the document that you issued by sergeant, and we're going to do this. Once we file this for you, we're going to call you and give you the police report number. Because you said you need to file. And we're going to file, you're going to have police report. It's not going to say, sir, it's not going to say. It says,
But I got a case number.
I get it, but that's a different case. Internal affairs is a different entity. You filed a citizen's complaint. You did not file a police report. You filed a citizen's complaint. Because you've done that, and it's not to internal affairs, you have to investigate your citizen's complaint.
But the thing is, that's
Yeah,
you gotta go from employees, sign, date, how was received?
Just because it says that, sir, that's not how it goes. Have you noticed? You said you want to address anymore. Come on, now, this whole thing is not bad. That's why you said, I'm trying to help you out in the bathroom. Let me help you on the back end. Everything that I'm trying to do is I'm just saying valid. And they gave it to me, right? This is all we got. This building's only 8. That is small. We're trying to.
Don't say.
But again, how, what are you trying to get? What's the end goal? What's the
I
end
told
goal?
you, there's 2 things you can do, which is what you should.
No, what's your end goal? Money or your?
Is either or. Return it to the court as paid to the court before trial, so I can secure my pre-trial release. Or give me my refund with a receipt that I can take to court myself. And I get it, and I got a payment for it. And now I got prima facie evidence that I voluntarily surrendered before trial to secure pre-trial release. Either way it goes, I want pre-trial release. All right. Judgment for the return of my funds of $3,000 plus interest. And everything that happened after that. Because guess what? I was a warning, gave me a $50,000 fine after they lost that security.
Do you have your,
That's okay.
is it the form that you gave him? Has your email? Sure. Okay.
I get a email. Thank you.
You know, they got their correspondence. I don't want them to say, oh, you couldn't find it.
Well, that's fine. I'll list the postal service as a witness.
18.
Yes, sir. We'll be patient, like you said. I'm gonna let you guys do what you gotta do. I'm gonna sit back. I mean, I already filed it, but I'm gonna sit back. I'm trying not to come here. I gotta go to work.
You know, what's next step? Call the attorneys.
I'm gonna call them, but I'm going to the board of commissioners.
Take an attorney with you on that.
Right. I'm gonna go to the public meeting. All that on public record. Everything there, I'm ready. Public meeting. No, just give you an opportunity to speak. I'm not answering your questions. Ask your questions. Give me a chance to say the public have any comments. That entire affidavit and that entire complaint.
Have you ever done that?
Then I might put it in the newspaper. Yeah, I got a couple dollars.
I'm sorry.
Gotta get my signature.
I got it from the bond office.
Yes.
That's me. I don't have a divisional commander right now.
Okay. It was in person received. That's why.
I didn't receive it in person. I got it from the bond office.
Okay. Well. Okay.
That's fine.
Yeah. Take your time.
And right now, I don't have a case number because, like you said, we have to start a case and then we put a case number on it. You want a copy of this?
Sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
The bus station. I don't. You got me. I'm just trying to use the phone and call the bus station.
Excuse me, ma'am. Pardon. No, you're fine.
Hey, okay.
I think it's you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
These ladies behind the desk, they have to sign. If we ask them nicely, sure, we'll like
Social Thomas said I couldn't,
What's your name?
Let's get a Beauregard.
Beauregard.
yeah. Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Can I have your, this poor lady wants to call the bus station. Can't use anybody's phone. Can she? Oh, okay. So what do you want her to do? Right here?
Yeah.
She's gonna take care of it.
Okay. 313
We can't be standing here all day.
93
Sir.
993.
You standing here, you gonna make it seem like everybody. But you
Everybody
not like you.
gotta put 0.
Everybody not like you, sir. Right now.
Appreciate that, sir.
That's what I'm saying. I think they do.
Yeah. You gotta put 0. Okay.
No, I gotta be intelligent to be able to get out of here.
When they come on,
I'm so sorry, you're sorry. I filed the paperwork and where my stuff is at. And to be told I don't know where it's at, who has it? It seems elementary. And I'm trying to talk to people and be cordial, but it's so
Can I talk to them if I can?
And what
Hi,
you
can you hear me?
This is the original. That's the electronic copy.
You can hear me? Oh, I'm trying.
I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I don't know. Like I'm saying,
Probably gonna say they ain't gonna give me nothing. The sheriff department is fine with me. That's why I just need the something that's been put in their hands. If they don't do nothing with it, trust me, that ain't my fault. That's not gonna reflect poorly on me.
because yes, it's internal affairs, but that's just saying that I got it.
This is who I got a return receipt with a signature on it with somebody's name. Okay, somebody's name is on it.
Yeah, I cut it.
Yeah, He's a death.
I didn't think he worked the department.
Yeah, but he got a list in the file though. You see how you got collateral with the court forever? Little stuff like that. Because he's the one that stole it. He probably took it home. I'm trying to tell.
All right, well, good luck to you, Paul.
Thank you, sir. All right, have a great day. Hey now, I know that walk.
Hey, dog, sunshine. What you doing?
Up here finally
I was thinking about it. When I think about it, you show up.
making people do their job.
Did you get it all taken care of?
Not all though.
Hey, let me see what you got. What you doing? What you
Well, I
doing?
got this finally signed.
Okay.
See, they were scared to do this. They didn't want to sign this complaint here. I ain't never seen 20 people say I ain't signed it. They signed it. You hear me?
Okay.
Got them signed right here too.
Yep.
$3,000.
Okay.
Do I got a receipt? Yes, I do.
Okay.
Yes, I do. I got a receipt for it. That's an electronic copy of the receipt. This is the original, all them years ago, 2022. I ain't never forgot.
Okay.
Look, process of surrender and commercial paper have been delivered to the sheriff to serve or execute, and such sheriff did fail to serve the same with all convenient speed, and did fail to return the same with his certificate endorsed thereon of the time and manner of such service or execution, either to the office of the clerk of the court which such suit or proceeding was pending, or to the claimant whose name is endorsed on the process or paper. Raphael Washington, Wayne County Sheriff, did fail to pay over security that has come into his hands as sheriff in the matter of State of Michigan versus Michael Elliott Powell, case number, boom. Pursuant to this law, damage is $3,000, bond $10,000.
All right.
You gotta they didn't witness the post office. Guess what? Mark Taylor.
Who signed for it?
I found this recently, so I didn't know the time for it.
There you go. That's what I told you. It'll all come together.
Oh no, they about to.
Yeah,
I know they don't want to pay. He said, I
It's
don't
gonna
know.
all come together.
He said, I'm in touch. He said, I'm not. He said, I'm not responsible for this document. I said, Officer Lasiter. I looked at Ben and I said, listen. It never dawned on me. He just smiled and I said, listen, I got this to this window.
Yeah.
Both these forms.
Yep.
I filled them out. I brought them back to you on the 28th.
Yep.
She said, nobody should have signed for me. I said, okay, I'll come back. I patiently waited.
Yep.
I came back.
That's all.
They sent me to you. I said, look, this form. I said, slow too. May be submitted at Wayne County Sheriff's City or mailed to Wayne County Sheriff's City. I said, now, that's you, right? You're the sergeant. That's you. Yeah. He said, yeah, but I don't do that. I said, well, who does this?
Yeah.
I said, whoever received it was supposed to do this.
That's right.
I said, man, I said, this is steps to this. I said, it says receipt.
Yep. Yep.
Then sign. I said, then it tell you how it was received. Right?
Right.
Then it says supervisor received it. Then it says reviewed by the divisional commander. Then it comes to you. Hold on. Y'all didn't even take the time. Y'all don't even want to show the divisional commander.
Yeah, you didn't even follow your own
Procedure. You didn't even show the divisional commander. So where do you think I'm taking this to? The board of commissioners.
There you go.
What is going on? I'm reading this verbatim on the record. Only I got public speaking. Okay, let me read this. Citizen complaint form. Complainant's name. How? Michael Harris. Address. I'm gonna say it all on the record. Today and Thursday. I'm gonna
So,
God damn it. Stealing my stuff.
okay, so let's see, you got that signed today.
Yeah. Well, I told him. He said, "What do you want the company is?" I said, "Listen, it's only two options."
I want.
Oh no, it's two
what is
options.
mine.
It's two options. Two options. The first option is that you do your job and you find what's mine and you return it to the court so that the judge can see that I voluntarily surrendered before trial.
Right.
And I can secure pre-trial release.
Right. That's right.
I said, if you don't do that, I said, other than that, you give me $3,000 with a receipt that shows why it was issued.
Yep.
And I could go to the court myself and show them that I voluntarily surrendered and y'all had to pay me $3,000 if y'all lost my money.
Yeah.
It's only two
It's
options.
only, yeah.
But either way it goes, it's to secure pretrial release I said after this, it resulted in an arrest warrant. There's other damages on me. This is just the beginning. But he said, well, what do you need to do? I said, man, this is the off the last one. Why you keep doing that? No, I said, step first. File this.
Yeah.
But I said, it ain't signed. I said, hold on, we can't talk about what I want until you sign it. Until you file it. When you file this thing, we can talk about the next step. I said, what do you? I said, I told you what I want. He said, you want money. It ain't about the money.
Yeah.
It ain't you making it about money.
It's not. Money. Yeah. It's about what's right, what's wrong.
I want you to do your duty, which is to return process of service, and also to return the commercial paper. Yeah. And it's saying like that verbatim in Michigan law, commercial paper that you received in your possession. You return that to the court. Yeah. Oh, you don't got it no more? Okay. Now, pay me now. Right. Because I got a receipt for it. Right. You don't have no evidence that you have it at all. That's right. And guess what? This receipt tell you how heavy it was, too. So don't act like I gave you something empty. Right. Because it was 2 ounces. Oh, yeah. Also, find all 2 ounces. Oh, find all 2 ounces of that. That's a package. When you find it, make sure you scale it up. Yeah. See, see, you playing with somebody. Oh, I told you. This is what we received. It was a blank envelope. Oh, you put that on the scale because look, I sent you a 2 ounce item. Yeah. The post office is not gonna do that. Hold on, shoot. I'm gonna call the police witness. Yeah. See, so again, it's gonna take your time, but you're gonna end up winning. I can tell it. You're gonna end up winning, my dear. You're gonna end up winning. Because like I said, I really want to change. They don't stay and stick with it when they know. And it's like I say, you have to be diligent with them because they are not diligent with their own fucking records. That dude told me that's all that. Sure, I'll let you know what time it is. About 2:05. Okay. I don't want to miss this damn bus. Don't miss it. You better get on. Don't miss it. It's nice and like Spike and get on the bus. That's right. Yeah. So yeah, it's crazy how I ran into y'all from here for about an hour. I said, wow, and Mr. Sergeant Lasiter is so funny. Because he told me he was going to call me on the 8th. He didn't call me. I gave him another week. He didn't call me. I was waiting for you to say. For what? He came out with a blank document. I said, what you waiting for? You ain't even fill this out, man. You told me you was going to get this signed on the 8th. And we laughing. I know we laughing and being cordial, but I know the mind game. Yeah. I know what we doing right here. Yeah. We laughing. It's funny. But you think I'm not getting ready to follow through? He's like, I don't, we don't get, come on, you got to understand, give us a break. We don't got the same process. No. I said, you need a break, a share? No. I'm not giving you a break. No. You don't get breaks? No. You took an oath, right? I said, Mark Taylor, he said, Mark Taylor doesn't work no more. I said, but he got an oath filed in the courthouse. Okay. He has an oath. Okay. You're always here. He never leaves. It's like a graveyard. Every officer. If you did something 20 years ago, you still here. Yeah, right. Where you think you went? That's right. Yo, you came here and put on a uniform. Your uniform stayed here when you left. That's right. You don't get to keep that. That ain't your personal outfit. You just wearing the sheriff. That's as a matter of fact, it's against the law. Fraud. It's against the law. Yeah. Impersonating, if you wearing that outfit off duty, you gotta take your. Yeah, that's smart. You gotta take it. All right, I'm going in now. Go ahead. So I'll see you. Yeah, at least. All right. You better make it on that bus now. Get them legs moving. Come on. You better go when that sun come out. Yeah. All right, be good. You too. Thank you very much. Damn. Damn. Talk about making them do their motherfucking job. You know what I'm saying? Damn, did I get all that on recording? Oh, that was cold. Yeah, man, let's talk to him now. Let's talk to him now. Let's talk to him now. You see how I got friends in good place? Hey, shake a hand and make a friend. I got friends in good places. You gotta watch the video just to listen to the audio, man. It ain't about a visual. This video right here was strictly for the audio. Did you hear it? Did you hear him? Did you hear him? I'ma listen to this later. I'ma laugh. Did you listen to him? Did you hear him say, oh, we don't know what to do with this document. We don't know, man. You know what to do with this. You know what to do with this. And internal affairs is there for nothing. Why do they even have an internal affairs department? How you doing? Y'all be blessed. Listen, why do they even got internal affairs? If when you fucking file a citizen's complaint, the motherfucker don't want to file it, then he want to lie to me. Oh man, you heard that officer lie? You heard that officer lie? He helped me out. Somebody get a lawyer. Man, you a liar. I need a lawyer for a claim. Everybody playing the game. Everybody smiling in my face, acting like they want to do their job, acting like they the sheriff. They not the sheriff. See, when you start doing things other than your duty, automatically ain't the sheriff, because each individual could come and make their own separate complaint. All right, everybody can make their own separate complaint. Just because you good to 100,000 people, if you wrong to one of them, it's fire up under your ass. Just because that one individual, that one person, it only take one when it come to court. It don't take a group. It don't take a lawyer. It don't even take going to court. You settle this shit out of court. You settle this shit with a claim. And when they take that claim, they give it a claim number. And you got to make sure you stay persistent and get your claim number. And if they don't do nothing with your claim number, then you take their ass to court. And you take their ass all the way up motherfucking administrative process to exhaust all your remedies. All the way up to the top, man. Damn, that shit was cold. Finna sign off. Shit was ice cold.